Once upon a time, there was an old biker dude who decided to set off on an amazing motorcycle travel adventure. I'm an old biker dude, man. Well, another morning it is. Day number 4. Rained all night last night. So my little Coleman tent seemed to have passed the test. But yesterday while I was on my way back, I ran across this little vegetable stand. And the lady there had some really good looking strawberries, and I thought, man, some strawberry pancakes would sure be good in the morning. So that's what I'm making. Of course, at a campsite, it's not like being in your kitchen at home. Gotta make a couple little adjustments, but I think I can pull this off. And throw them in a little butter here on the grill. Kind of get them kind of loose and able to mix into my pancake batter, make my compote. And then just throw them right in my bowl. And I'll leave that on there to cook my pancakes with. Now comes the hard part, and that's mixing up my batter just right. I got some pancake mix right here. Always carry pancake mix. You guys carry pancake mix with you on the road, right? Mine's the old-fashioned kind. It's not the instant. So, a little milk. My butter should suffice as oil, but I'm going to add just a little sesame oil in here. I've got some butter melting over there in my pan now. So basically, I just have to mix all that up. And I guess I'll end up doing it with a spoon. And of course, an egg. Get all that mixed up. I might need a little more batter in there. Okay, got a little more batter. And that looks like it's mixing up pretty good. Got a nice color to it. And then once I get all this mixed up, I'll just make my pancakes right there in my frying pan on the grill. And we'll just see how this goes. And with any luck, that'll come out to be something like a pancake. Well, not too bad so far. Okay, so things didn't go so well on the flip. It looks more like a strawberry pancake crumble, but it sure is smelling good, and I imagine it's going to look worse than that in my stomach. Really didn't come out too bad. Sure does smell good. And a little syrup. And we'll just try a bite. Man, that's off the chain. I'm gonna say it. That was the best strawberry pancake I've ever ate in my life.
You know, it never ceases to amaze me. All these beautiful roads in the southeast. Most of them are kind of draw-tos, you know, the Neal's Gap and the Tail of the Dragon. You guys have probably heard me say it before. Yeah. The Cherahella Parkway and the Blue Ridge Parkway. They're all beautiful places and, you know, all that. But there's some real undiscovered gems out here. I'm on one of them right now. This is Highway 28, North Carolina 28, coming out of Bryson City towards Franklin, North Carolina. biker dude, man.